Dongguan Baiya Silicone Products Company Limited was established in 2016 and is located in Dongguan City. The location is excellent and the transportation is convenient. Our company is a professional manufacturer and exporter in designing and manufacturing silicone baby products 6 years, have very rich industry experience, and is a trusted supplier. Products including silicone baby nipples, baby pacifiers, baby teethers, feeding bottle, baby spoon, baby feeding set, etc. And our company's products are sold worldwide. Main clients are from Southeast Asia, America, Central America, Northern Europe, etc. All our silicone raw materials meet the baby industry standards. Other concerned materials are eco-friendly, environmental. Our factory qualified by ISO 9001. The product has passed the European Standard Certification. We have a professional R&D team, supply OEM&ODM customer from technical expertise, tooling design, manufacturing, packing one-stop nice solution to win worldwide client. Quality is our business foundation with strict manufacturing system, highly competent employees, clean factory area to provide our clients high quality assurance always. Quality firstly, customer first, reputation first, honest business rules to bring both our cooperation win-win each other. Solving problems for customers and meeting customer needs is our eternal pursuit. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiry soon.